Well, good evening and welcome back in. A little cloud cover starting to roll in for us here in the latter parts of our day after a nice sun-filled day. Plenty of warmth, no humidity, a light breeze. We'll take a little bit of cloud cover to get us going through the rest of this evening. Still a good look out there for us. 82 our current air temperature here in Lexington. Southeast winds coming at us at 8 miles an hour. So a nice steady flow of air that is a little bit warmer than what we had yesterday. That helped a lot of us get back into those upper 70s now. 82 in Lexington, 78 Beattyville and McKee, a couple 77s from Hazard to Danville to Richmond. As we continue through the rest of our night tonight, those temperatures will drop off again. But we made it into the 80s for the most part, and even areas yesterday in eastern Kentucky that were in the low 70s, they're back in the upper 70s. So warmer still as we go to the next couple of days. Each day is basically going to be a rinse and repeat. Here's the setup again. We'll show you that high pressure is starting to move right next to Kentucky. Warm air is being pulled up from the southeast because of that high pressure center. As we continue to go through the next couple of days, though, we're going to be watching for a potential tropical depression to form just off the coast of Florida and move up towards the Carolinas. It's not a storm yet, and it doesn't have a name, but it's just a center that we're watching, plus another one off towards the northwest. Well, this is going to cycle in some very slightly cooler temperatures for us over the weekend and into early next week as it sort of impacts that east coast and rides up that, bringing them rain and some thunder. We'll see an increase of cloud cover from that for the most part and a chance for some of those slightly cooler temperatures until warmth rebuilds in the south and that low starts to drop in out of the northwest. And as it does that, we're going to kind of mix the warmer and the cooler together to keep us pretty balanced. Once we get into the early parts of next week, that low is going to try to pull that warmer air up, but it's also going to bring in some moisture that could bring us the chance for some rain. Now, we're not going to be seeing much here of rain today. In fact, this wave that is in the central plains just touching western Kentucky is really only going to bring us some cloud cover. Watch Futurecast roll in as we head into tomorrow. It's going to continue to bring us those high clouds. That's why it kind of looks thin and wispy here on Futurecast. It's going to also show us on Futurecast a couple of little green specks. Not very likely, not a lot of moisture inside of that. It's going to be a dry day for us Thursday and on Friday, but we do rinse and repeat that idea as we get into our Friday. The next big thing is going to be Monday through Wednesday, when the chance of that low coming down brings us a better chance to see some of those showers. It's going to bring a little bit of northwest flow. It's going to kick up some stray showers and scattered, possibly a thunderstorm or two into Wednesday. But for the most part, that cutoff low roams around, and we've just got those chances as we go into the middle of next week to see the rain. 57 for your overnight low, partly cloudy. Tomorrow, let's get you back towards 83. More sun than clouds, but you will notice that high cloud cover sticks around for us throughout the day. That Fox 56 Weather Authority app will have all the details, the next big thing, and you can track that 7-day forecast on there as well. You should definitely get that app. Check out the 7-day forecast here. Quiet across the board until those rain chances get here next week.